So the first thing you want to do is avoid third-party resellers and go directly to the Duomo official website, which you see the address at the top of the page. You want to pick English. You see on the top right-hand corner, there's an option for English language instead of Italian. Agree to all their cookies, and then we can start to see the options here. On the right, if you want a guided tour, go there. If you just want to buy tickets, go to the left. There are lots of options here on this website. Recently, they just added an augmented reality walk, and so you see that on the left there. On the right, you have combined tickets, which if you want to visit the terraces at the very top, which I recommend, it's really fantastic, great view, great architecture. You can take the lift, or you can take the stairs. And these tickets include the entrance to the Duomo, the terraces by either lift or stairs, and then the fantastic museum, which is just across the way. If you're standing in front of the Duomo, the museum is over on the right side across the way. And then down here, you have combined ticket to the Duomo and Ambrosiana, which is a fantastic library museum not far from the Duomo. That's a great deal. Then you have these fast track passes. And what this is a fast pass to skip the long line at the lift to go up to the terraces. So if you are pressed for time, you can buy that. Then you have just the Duomo Museum, Duomo End Museum. That's the cheapest ticket at €8. Down here you have the terraces by lift and by foot if you just want to go to the terraces and don't want to go into the museum or the Duomo. And then the culture pass, which I think is the most popular. Doesn't include the terraces, but it includes the Duomo, the archaeological area, which is just when you enter to the left, there's a set of stairs that goes down and you can see the 4th century remains of the church, and it includes the museum. So you see Wednesdays, you can't buy the ticket because the museum is closed on Wednesday. So I'm picking a random day, a nice early time to avoid the crowd. And then you have the pricing option. So you see full price for this ticket is €10 with a €1 fee. But believe me, this €1 fee is much worth the fee because you are skipping the long line to buy tickets, which sometimes can take like an hour. There are some other options at the bottom. I'm just choosing 2 tickets. If you have family, there's a family ticket option. Also, they keep continuing to try to sell you things. This is webcam access, some other options. The only thing I would recommend maybe getting is they do have a video guide, the official video guide. It's packed with information. When you get in there, there is absolutely no information, so you don't know what you're looking at. So if you don't have a book or a guide, I do recommend getting something like that. Then this is where you check out, obviously. Again, they're asking for money, donations for the maintenance and restoration of the Duomo. And here is where you finish up your order. So you'll just get a receipt with a QR code for each ticket, and you show that there at the right as first you're going to go through security, then you show it at the entrance. That's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, please.